Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, desktop icons and start menu won't load Windows 10 fix. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, Run New Task. Type PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Copy command from description and paste it. Type Exit. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space 00. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type msconfig, check Create this task with administrative privileges, click OK. Click Boot tab, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click Restart. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, CLCK system configuration. Click Boot tab, uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.